Hi everyone! This week's tip is about a powerful yet often overlooked feature in Canvas called Message Students Who. It's a quick way to send targeted messages to students based on their assignment status or performance, right from the gradebook. Start by opening your course and clicking on Grades. Find the assignment you're interested in, hover over its column header, and click the three-dot menu. Select Message Students Who from the drop-down. Here you can choose to message students who haven't submitted the assignment, haven't been graded, scored less than a specific point value, scored more than a specific point value, or students who have been reassigned the assignment. For example, if you want to encourage students who scored below 70% to try again, select Scored Less Than and enter 70. Compose your message in the provided fields. You can customize the subject and body to fit your needs. Remember, each student receives an individual message, so they won't see who else received it. This feature is great for sending reminders about upcoming or missed assignments, offering congratulations to high achievers, and for providing support to students who may be struggling. By using Message Students Who, you can efficiently communicate with specific groups, making your outreach more effective and personalized. Give it a try with your next assignment.